Security, privacy, safety have become a huge issues for the companies across the world. That is why this Confidential Computing Consortium, which is gaining traction among a lot of the big names in the industry, have become a de facto industry standard. They have recently announced this confidential computing, which is another form of computing that allows you to have a protection of data in use with hardware based trusted execution environment, or T. T is a secure and isolated environment that prevent unauthorized access or modification of application and data while they are in use. And this whole security standard around T is defined by the Confidential Computing Consortium, and the website you can see on your screen, and I will put the link to it in the video's description. Now, in this video, I'm just going to touch on what exactly is a confidential VM, which is available now in the Google Cloud platform. A confidential virtual machine, or VM, is a type of compute engine VM that ensures that your data and applications stay private and encrypted even while in use. You can use a confidential VM as part of your security strategy so you do not expose sensitive data or workloads during processing. Confidential VM runs on host with AMD EPYC processors, which feature AMD Secure Encrypted Virtualization (SEV). Incorporating SEV into confidential VM provide lot of benefits such as isolation, attestation, and high performance. When we say isolation, it means that the encryption keys are generated by the AMD secure processor during VM creation and reside solely within the AMD system on chip. These keys are not even accessible by Google, offering improved isolation. Then we have attestation, which means that the confidential VM uses Virtual Trusted Platform Module, or VTPM attestation every time an AMD SEV based confidential VM boots. A launch attestation report event is generated. Then we have high performance, as AMD SEV offers very high performance for demanding computational tasks. Enabling confidential VM has little or no impact on most workloads, with only less than 5% degradation in performance, which is negligible if you look at the security benefits. You can enable the confidential VM in Google Cloud very simply by just checking a box, and then uh, and if you're doing it through API, you just need one or two lines of code. So I hope that was useful. If your workload is aligned with these three things of isolation, attestation, and high performance, then I would suggest that you look at the confidential VM in Google Cloud. Again, if you have any feedback or questions, please put them in the comment section. Thank you.